As a student at Boise State University, using your email is a prime way to communicate between your professors and other faculty. However, your inbox can get cluttered very quickly, leaving you a bit unorganized. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a few simple tricks within Gmail to better your inbox and keep it clutter-free. Before we begin, let's take a look at my mailbox real quick. I'm currently using a lot of the tips I'm about to teach you, and as you can see, it turns a blank inbox like this one into a nice colorful one like mine. But let me show you how to do it. Since my actual BSU email has already been edited, I'm going to use one of my throwaway emails to help show you all the things I'm about to teach. Let's begin with emails marked as important. In your inbox, there's a golden star that can be pushed next to any given email. Doing so will mark it as important. However, sometimes many emails will be important, and having only one symbol can be tricky. But did you know there are more options than just a gold star? First, move to the gear in the top right corner and click Settings. There's lots of little options here, but we're going to scroll down until you see the one marked Stars. Once there, you can see the other options there. Lots of different colors and a few other symbols. All you have to do is hit the preset buttons or drag and drop which ones you want. I chose to only use the stars, and I made it in the order of the color of the rainbow. Once you do this, don't forget to scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Save. Now when you mark things as important, it'll cycle through whatever you have selected. Keep in mind, since I put the red star first, 1 click will give me the red star, 2 clicks will give me the orange, 3 will be yellow, and so on and so forth. This method is a lot quicker, but it isn't exactly what I had, because what I had is what I will show next. Labels. Labels are a special kind of tag that can be dragged onto emails to help keep them into personalized bins. Labels can be named to whatever you want, and even colored. Let me show you how to make one real quick. First, go to the left side of the screen and hit Show More. You might have to drag down the bar to see all the options. Once there, you can see Google already has some pre-made options, such as chats. However, you want to go to the bottom and hit Create New Label. This will bring up a prompt to name your label. After doing so, hit Create. The label you just made will appear on the left side. Let's add a color to it. Once you find your label, hit the 3 dots to the side of its name and hit Label Color. From there, you can choose from the list to add a color to it. Now all you do is drag and drop that label onto an email. Furthermore, if you click the label on the left side, it'll show you every single email with that label on it. Next, let's make a sublabel. It's the exact same process. Just go to Create New Label, but then, after you've named it, hit the Nest Label Under checkbox, and then just select which label it is going to go under. You can see that on the left, the sublabel is slightly indented under its main hub label. However, you can still add a color to it and drag it onto emails like normal labels. Finally, let me show you how to make labels automatically become applied to emails. Start off by going back to the gear in the top right and hitting Settings. Next, change the tab to Filters and Blocked Addresses. You will see right here, you can hit Create New Filter. Doing so brings up a box that lets you add certain parameters, such as who sent the email or common keywords found in the body. I most commonly use the email sent, so look at the topmost box. I put in a fake email address, but if you wanted to add a certain professor under a certain label, you would put their email here. Make sure you hit the white Create Label button to proceed with the process. If you hit the blue search button, it'll just show you a list of all the emails with your given parameters. But after you hit your Create Label button, this box will pop up. This lets you choose what to do with the parameters you made. Scroll down till you find Apply Label, and then select the label you want it to apply. And afterwards, hit Create. And just like that, you now have all the tools you need to create and automatically set up labels. Before we go, let's change your background. Start off by going to the gear in the top right, but this time hit Themes. From there, you can see a wide list of pictures, and you can pick which one you see fit. I wound up going with this one. Congratulations, you have just now personalized your inbox. I hope these tips have helped you, and if they did, drop a like. I have been Zach, and I will see you all next time.